Hey there, homeowners and builders. Today we're diving into the world of precast concrete, a building method that's changing the construction game. What is precast concrete? Simply put, it's concrete elements that are cast and cured in a controlled factory environment, then transported to the construction site for assembly. Think of it like building with giant Lego blocks, but these blocks are made of tough, durable concrete. The use of precast concrete dates back centuries, with ancient Roman structures showcasing early examples. However, it wasn't until the mid-20th century that precast construction really took off, revolutionizing the way we build. Today, precast concrete is a popular choice for a wide range of projects, from bridges and parking garages to schools and apartment buildings. Why? Because it offers a ton of advantages over traditional on-site concrete construction. Precast concrete offers numerous advantages over traditional cast-in-place concrete. These advantages include faster construction times, improved quality control, and reduced overall project costs. Plus, precast concrete is incredibly versatile and can be used to create a wide range of structural and architectural elements. So, whether you're building a new home or a massive commercial complex, precast concrete is definitely worth considering. One of the biggest advantages of precast concrete is its speed. Because the elements are manufactured off-site, construction can continue even in less than ideal weather conditions. This means your project gets done faster, saving you time and money. Precast concrete also means higher quality. The controlled factory environment allows for precise mixing, casting and curing, resulting in stronger, more durable concrete. This translates into a longer lifespan for your structure and lower maintenance costs down the road. And let's not forget about cost savings. Precast concrete can help you save on labor costs, as the assembly process is generally faster and requires fewer workers than traditional methods. Plus, the durability of precast concrete means fewer repairs and replacements over the life of your structure, saving you money in the long run. But it's not just about speed, quality and cost. Precast concrete is also incredibly sustainable and environmentally friendly, but we'll talk more about that later.